Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I think this is very clearly a 1, a 2, and I think it's extremely clear that we're currently in a wave 3. Most targets for a wave 3 is at least at the 161.8, which is why I'm still very, very bullish. I think this is going up to at least a minimum of 25.50 to just finish off this wave 3. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see the subdivisions. I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2. I think this is a subdivision of that. I think this is a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and we're currently in a 3 of 3. We're only at the 123% Fibonacci extension, which tells me that, yeah, maybe this is going to be an area of resistance, but I am definitely very, very bullish. I think we're in a wave 3, and I think we have a lot of upside potential left. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where we got this labeled as a 1, 2, 3, because like if you've been watching any of my most recent videos, I do think that this is a 3 of 3. And we're only at the 100% Fibonacci extension of the wave 1 projected out the wave 2. So, I mean, even today, yeah, maybe it is going to go down a little, but I think it's just a correction to the uptrend, and I am definitely very, very bullish. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we have to remember that we do have CPI news coming out today for the US dollar inflation data. I personally think that this is going to keep going up. I think that maybe initially it might go down a little bit, but I think the trend is up, and I do think that the trend will keep on trending to the upside in this wave 3 of 3. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think this is forming a ABC pattern, or possibly a WXY, because it is 3 waves down, 3 waves up. I think it's going to go down either at the news or prior to the news, take out this low, and then I think it's going to do a reversal, and I think it's just going to keep on trending up in this wave 3 of wave 3. All the higher time frames are telling me that we have a lot of upside potential. Shorter time frames, I would definitely continue to look for longs at every single pullback you see for the continuation of what I believe is a wave 3 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.